Nobody ever sat you down and said, here's exactly how to turn your savings into wealth. Not your parents, not your school, not your bank. But that stops today. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to give you the exact roadmap I wish I had when I started step by step, so you can begin building toward your first $100,000, even if you've never invested a single dollar in your life. Here's the truth about investing. The biggest mistake most beginners make isn't choosing the wrong stock. It's waiting until they have more money. Waiting until they understand it better. Waiting for the right moment. But time is the most powerful tool in investing. And every day you wait is a day of compounding you're leaving on the table. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what investing is, where to start, how much money you actually need, and the simple strategy that most millionaires quietly use. No jargon. No shortcuts. Just a clear roadmap to your first $100,000. Before you invest a single dollar, there are two things you need to check first. Think of these as your launch pad. Number 1, clear your high-interest debt. If you have credit card debt charging you 20% interest, paying that off is guaranteed 20% return. No investment can beat that reliably. Number 2, build a small emergency fund. 3 to 6 months of basic expenses, kept in a simple savings account. Why? Because if an emergency hits and you have no cushion, you'll be forced to sell your investments at the worst possible time. Once those two things are in place, you're ready. Even if it's just $50 a month, you're ready. This step sounds simple, but most people skip it, and it's why they quit when the market dips. Write down your goal. Not just, I want to be rich. Be specific. I want to reach $100,000 in investments within 7 years. I want financial freedom by age 40. I want to never worry about money again. When the market drops 10%, and it will, your written goal is what keeps you from panic selling. Your why is your anchor. Keep it somewhere you'll see it. All right, now we're getting into the practical stuff. To invest, you need a brokerage account. Think of it like a bank account, but instead of just holding money, it lets you buy investments. If you're in Tunisia or the MENA region, look into platforms like eToro, Interactive Brokers, or your local bank's investment arm. If you're watching from elsewhere, Fidelity, Schwab, or Vanguard are excellent choices. When picking a platform, look for 3 things: low or no fees, a clean beginner interface, and access to global markets. That's it. Don't overthink this step. A good enough platform you start with beats a perfect platform you're still researching next year. Here's the strategy that Warren Buffett himself recommends for most people. Index funds. An index fund is simply a basket that holds a little piece of hundreds, sometimes thousands of companies at once. So instead of betting on one company and hoping it wins, you're betting on the entire economy. And historically, the economy goes up over time. The S&P 500 index, for example, has returned an average of about 10% per year over the last century. Yes, there were crashes along the way. But every single time, it recovered and went higher. That's your answer to, what if I lose everything? You'd have to lose faith in all of human civilization for that to happen permanently. Unlikely. So, for most beginners, the strategy is simple. Buy a low-cost S&P 500 or Global Index ETF and hold it. That's the foundation. You can always add to it later, but start here. Now, here's the technique that separates smart long-term investors from gamblers. Dollar cost averaging. The idea is brutally simple. You invest a fixed amount, let's say $100 every single month, regardless of what the market is doing. When prices are high, your $100 buys fewer shares. When prices drop, your $100 buys more. Over time, this averages out your cost and takes all the emotion out of the equation. You're not trying to time the market, you're buying time in the market. And that's the game beginners, and honestly, most professionals should be playing. Set up an automatic investment. Pick a day each month. Let it run in the background. Then go live your life. Let me paint a picture for you. If you invest $200 a month starting today, and your portfolio earns an average of 8% per year in 15 years, you'd have over $65,000. In 20 years, over $110,000. You didn't get lucky. You didn't pick the hottest stock. You just stayed consistent. That's compound interest, your money making money on its money. Albert Einstein allegedly called it the eighth wonder of the world. Whether he said it or not, the math is right. The single most important variable in that equation? Starting. Not picking the right ETF. Not timing the market. Just starting. So, let's bring it all together. Your roadmap to your first $100,000. Clear high-interest debt and build a small emergency fund. Write down your goal, your why. Open a brokerage account. Start with a low-cost index ETF. Set up a monthly automatic investment. Don't touch it. Let time do the work. That's it. No secret strategy, no million-dollar tip. Just discipline, consistency, and starting before you feel ready. This channel Easy Investing Academy exists for one reason: to give you the roadmap, the discipline, and the motivation to reach that first $100,000. And this video is just the beginning. If this helped you, hit that subscribe button, because next week I'm covering how you become rich. And drop a comment below. What's stopping you from investing right now? I read every single one. See you in the next one.